Hey, what up guys? Joseph here again with my black hoodie. Today we're going to be doing a Dashcam 101 guide. This is specifically geared towards those of you who are completely brand new to dashcams. There's way too much technical information out there, and who cares about that? Let's make it easy to digest. This video is for new drivers, those of you who literally just got a new car and you don't know anything about dashcams or just protecting yourself in general, and your grandma. So let's get into it. So we're going to start off with the components of a dash cam. It's literally a camera for your dashboard. That's it. Let's not make it too complicated. It's a camera that records the front or the rear or the inside of your car, depending on the number of channels that you get. Some dash cams out there, they have a physical screen attached to it. Some models just don't. So this model that I'm going to show you right here, this is the main piece. That's the front camera. This model is called the BLACKVUE DR970X 2-channel Plus. So this right here is the front-facing camera. This piece literally just goes on your glass, and you can turn it to get the angle that you want, and then it just records in one direction. And if you get a 2-channel dash cam, well, not only are you going to get the front piece, but you're also going to get the rear-facing camera. You install this in your rear windshield. You stick it on, you connect the power cables from it, from the front camera to the rear, and then that's it. It's going to record the back of your car, so if you get rear-ended, you're going to get footage for that. Most dash cams that you buy is typically going to come with a cigarette lighter adapter. So this is literally your power cable that you can use to plug into your cigarette lighter port in your car. Plug the other end into your front camera and you're good to go. Of course, there's other ways to power your dash cam as well outside of the cigarette lighter adapter. So this right here is the hardwiring cable. So this probably takes more of a professional touch, so we'd recommend going to a professional installer for this. What it does is that it unlocks extra security features like parking mode. So what parking mode is, it allows your dash cam to continue recording even after your car ignition is off. When you're away from your car, it's going to continue recording. So in the event someone rear ends or hit and runs your car, you're going to have footage for that, so you can pin that on whoever did it. You're going to get a rear connecting cable. So what this is, it's a cable that connects your front camera to your rear camera, just so that one, it's going to send power to your rear camera, as well as making sure all the footage that your rear camera records comes in on one SD card that's in your front camera. Last but not least, you're going to get some extra tools as well. In the box right here, all in one, there's some adhesives, there's some cable clips, there's a SD card reader and your SD card as well, and a pry tool in the event that you want to take off your adhesive mount as well. By default, most dash cams that you carry is going to come with a standard like 64 to 128 gig SD card. However, we always recommend going to the highest compatibility out there. For example, we sell a 512 gig SD card. So as long as your dash cam is compatible with it, you should always go highest, because you always want to make sure you get as much footage as possible in the event something happens to you. This video is sponsored by BlackboxMyCar. That's right, us. Do you drive an older car and you want to modernize it with tech, but don't want to spend thousands of dollars? Does your current infotainment system feel outdated? Do you want a seamless way to use navigation, music, or calls in your car without fumbling with your phone? Do you want a backup camera system that integrates seamlessly with your car? Well, the BlackboxMyCar S-Drive solves all of that. It's an all-in-one 10-inch wireless display system that combines CarPlay, Android Auto, backup camera, and most importantly, a dash cam as well. It's an all-in-one device, and it's available now on the BlackboxMyCar website. Back to the video. Now that we know what a dash cam is, let's go over the biggest reasons why people get a dash cam in the first place. The biggest reason to have a dash cam is protection. Protection against crime, hit and runs, vandalism, and any other scenarios where you're gonna need the footage for insurance. Dash cam nowadays, they have video and audio input and output capabilities. So what we're seeing is a lot of rideshare drivers, they use it so that they can have that level of protection and for accountability from their drivers and their passengers as well. And in some fun usage, we're also seeing some customers use it for content generation as well, filming themselves, because it's hands-free, they can talk into it, it's got a mic, and you can use it for creating some pretty cool content in your car. Some of the newer dash cams, they have 2K resolution recording capabilities for the interior of your car. So if you pair a 4K front and a 2K interior dash cam together, you can get some pretty cool driving footage, 4K footage driving, and then recording yourself 2K inside the car. Now that you guys know the basics of dash cams, let's go over some recommendations. The three main brands that we carry on the BlackboxMyCar website is VIOFO, THINKWARE, BlackVUE, let's be honest, they all carry great products. If you're looking for the best video quality dash cam, something that can read license plates or capture all the details, you can't go wrong with VIOFO dash cams. Best picture quality. If you're parked regularly in a high trafficked area, then you're gonna want a reliable parking mode feature, and that's why we recommend THINKWARE dash cams. Last but not least, if you want the Cadillac of storage systems, then honestly, I would recommend BLACKVUE dash cams because they have cloud capabilities. What that means is you're gonna get alerted instantly on your phone if something happens to your car while you're away. And being that it's cloud storage, you're gonna be able to see the footage right away on your phone, wherever you are. Also, since I know you guys are into the fancy stuff, a new flagship dashcam from VIOFO is called the VIOFO A329S. So this is a 4K 3-channel dashcam for all-around protection. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys learned something. If you have more questions, drop them in the comments below. But if you can't wait and you want to learn more, we have tons of guides on the BlackboxMyCar website, so feel free to check it out there. Thanks, guys. Bye. Say hi to your grandma for me. See you in the next one.